Welcome, students. Uh, as we are going to the revision process, okay, in this while taking the revision here here is the group work. Here is the group work about the notice board or announcement. So just let us go through this practical work. Okay. The first is an announcement can be made in every class orally, or it can be put up on the school notice board. Discuss and decide what method should be used for each of the announcement given here. Okay. So here are the two types of announcements, that is oral announcement, written announcement, or both. So three ways, two announcement and three ways, two types of announcement, three ways of, okay. And the second, the make groups. One person in the group chooses an announcement. Everyone in the groups read that announcement silently but carefully, and closes their books. Then that person presents the announcement, changing one of the details in the announcement. Others spot the change. For example, you might say red key change instead of a balloon in the last announcement. Okay. Name the occasion or reason which each of the announcement is being made. Then think of occasions and prepare an announcement. Okay. So here we have three different works on the announcement. In the first, that the announcement which is made in the school, it should be put on the notice board. This is the better way of announcing something. If we send it notice book, with the notice book, we have to read that notice. This way of announcement is also a better way. But if we send oral announcement, it may be varies or changes. The announcement itself changes from person to person. Okay. So both are very important in the process of the announcing something. There is a game, okay, or on the YouTube also we saw the importance of the written notice, or the oral transform of the announcement. It must be clear, but it has something that it proves that the oral announcement is not proper or enough. Okay. because there is a YouTube channel. You can saw you can you can see that there are a one experiment of message, um, message that carries through the oral way. uh, the starter point At the starter point, the message is different. The message is different, and it varies and come to the end or the last person's, uh, the that announcement becomes a totally different announcement. Okay, totally different announcement. So this is where the oral announcement are not better, um, and for that purpose the written announcement is very important, gets an importance. Second, if there is a game or activities which we can do in our class. Okay, uh, here is the second point that carries out that announcement, that if we make groups, if we make groups in the class. Okay, we have to make groups in the class to carried out the announcement. Okay, one person in the group chooses an announcement. Everyone in the groups read that announcement silently but carefully and close their books. Then that person present the announcement, changing one of the detail in the announcement. Other spot the change. For example, you might say red keychain instead of blue in the announcement. Here is a game. This of the announcement. Okay, and third is the occasion or a reason for each of the announcement is being made. Then think of an occasion and prepare the announcement for it as a group activity. So here announcement is a group to do a group activity, that it comes for the purpose of the different types of occasions. If we read or heard that announcement, then we have to write that announcement in our books. Okay, so we can also think about the announcement through the both ways, that is the oral announcement or a written or a written notice. So both ways are good ways for the announcement. Okay, so here is an activity of an announcement for an occasions like ones mentioned here. So there is a homework for you, or a home assignment, that you have to make write down an announcement about the Diwali occasion. Okay, so and holidays, about the Diwali holidays. Okay, so this is one type of the home assignments for the others person. Okay, so we must stop here and give a homework to the student of the announcement. This is the one thing we okay, just you have to read the things that Diwali's time, Diwali's period, and after that you have to prepare a notice notice which we have to stick on the board first. Second, you have to make an announcement orally by going into the each class, okay. And third, you have to give home assignment to the children about the Diwali due to coming day, in the coming days there is a Diwali, okay. So these are the three ways through which we announce, okay. So now students, we will stop here, and the home assignment to you about the 26th January, you have to make an announcement in the school, okay. Thank you.